Out cold, unpacking the phrase. Hey there! Today, we're diving deep into a cool English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere. Out cold. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it correctly. So, let's get started. When we think of the words out and cold separately, they have very different meanings. Out can mean not inside a place, and cold refers to a low temperature. However, when these words come together as a phrase, their meaning changes completely. Out cold is an idiomatic expression, which means its meaning isn't based on the literal definitions of the individual words. The phrase, out cold, typically means someone is deeply unconscious or asleep. It suggests that the person is so deeply in this state that they're unaware of their surroundings. For instance, if someone says, after the long hike, he was out cold the moment he hit the bed, it means that the person was so tired from the hike that he fell into a deep sleep as soon as he went to bed. Let's see some examples to understand how to use this phrase in various contexts. 1. After getting hit by the ball, he was out cold for a few minutes. 2. I tried waking her up for breakfast, but she was out cold. 3. The medicine made him feel drowsy, and soon he was out cold. From these examples, you can see that out cold can refer to both being deeply asleep due to natural reasons or being unconscious due to some external factor. It's essential to understand that out cold doesn't always mean someone is feeling cold or outside in cold weather. It's all about being unconscious or deeply asleep. A wrong usage would be, it's winter, and he is out cold. This is confusing as it sounds like he is outside in the cold, not that he is deeply asleep or unconscious. Alright, now you're equipped with the knowledge of what out cold means and how to use it in your conversations. Remember, English is full of such interesting idiomatic expressions. Keep exploring, and you'll master them all in no time. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.